Hi guys, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to put your SIM card into Samsung Galaxy A6 and A8. So let's do it. So to do that it is very easy. First you need a pin you will find in the box of your phone, and now with this pin we have here two slots, and first let's put the pin into the first slot and push it like this and remove the slot. And now let's put the SIM inside this slot, and this is the right position. I hope you see it. And now let's put back the slot into the phone like this. Okay, and now let's remove the second slot, push it again. Okay, extract the slot, and here we have the slot for the second SIM and also for the memory SD card. I will put the SIM here like this, and now I will put it back into the phone like this. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.